Owning a fleet management business is a constant juggle between maintenance, manually tracking of vehicles, driver assignments, fuel receipts, and much more. There are many more problems in the fleet management business. Why can't we find a solution? Welcome to Code Brew Labs. We have a solution for all your fleet management business problems with advanced technology. We have created a solution which has the efficiency to solve your problems and increase your business efficiency by 3x. Our comprehensive fleet management solution covers auto pickup and delivery, real-time vehicle tracking, route optimization, automated proof of delivery, data compilation, driver and dispatch management. With Code Brew Labs fleet management softwares, you can create a custom fleet management software according to your business needs. With powerful admin dashboard, you can get the access of driver's ID, able to keep the track of revenue earned, assigned fleets to driver, and fleet requests. This fleet management software which is easily accessible on mobiles and PCs. With multiple payment options, provide your customers an easy way to make payments. With our fleet management software, you would be able to reduce your fleet management cost by 33%. Increase the efficiency of your fleet management business with us. We already help 8,000 plus startups to start their journey. You can become next in this count.